Ready ya bro?
Good, ready.
Hmm.
Ready.
Both front and rear same tire.
Yeah,
How's the grip
a bit slippery.
A bit
Need to change
slippery.
it. Need to change that.
But the weight,
The weight for me is okay.
okay.
Yeah.
The weight, okay. I always wanted to try lah. I always wanted to try
2.5.
this tire.
Yeah.
Because it's, but also still quite new ah. Don't need to change lah. Pakai use until rabak first.
Maybe I swap it when I want to buy this side.
Ah,
I swap here first. I will wear it off
wait out first.
because it's a waste. Still consider new.
Oh, sir.
Morning. This is the first time I
See a lefty.
see a lefty in actual in person.
Lefty.
Wow, nice. Good looking.
That's why
good.
I wanted to try lah lefty. I wanted to try.
Nice eh.
Huh?
You know.
You know also just now like, lefty
Lefty nice
Okay, Gino lead. Let's go, Gino.
Lefty. Wow. Gino.
Go. Gino go Okay alright, let's go. Tak ada lah nak tipu
Gino excited Gino excited already. Yeah, oh, you see? Go where? See how? Yan Up. Sorry. Okay.
I was looking and then
Oh,
where's the other two?
they're behind. Maybe they went straight.
I can hear the voice.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, that's it. bit slippery. Good. Good, good.
I want to wait for them.
Okay, okay. I'll go first. Kena power. Oh. Yeah. Where's that? Oop. Sorry. Sorry. I hesitate. Slippery.
Hey guys, you're not supposed to be here. You better be careful, we're very fast.
But this is the hiking trail right down there. It's different. Yeah, that's fine. No, that's
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Wait, and let me go back.
Careful.
It's better now. You can also go home. Yeah, I can go either way. I know, I'm just waiting for another thing.
I try also. You go first, I want to try.
I hesitated.
Yeah.
Can go straight already, but I hesitated. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, I try.
I watch you.
Let's go, hey! They're here! Don't hesitate, just go. Go. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, thank you.
Put you on camera.
Huh?
Camera.
Yeah. I watch here. This one.
Ni jaga ni
Ah.
Bike atau bag?
Behind got bike kan?
Sekelak.
Hey, thanks bro. Hey, never. Oh, nice job. Good job.
Hai.
Nice. Go.
Ayo di go.
Kena ni.
Oh.
Mai. Kena you push.
Sini nak kena laju sikit.
Kan, dah speed dah terpotong je habis lah. Go balik. Korang letak basikal kat mana?
Kena. Gino. Gino power one.
Gino close his eye.
Hey,
This one can go straight.
boleh pergi.
Ni
Also Kena.
Ui. Oh, Gino. What the fuck? What happened?
Did you front brake?
No lah.
Ah.
This one don't need to brake. This one don't need to brake.
No need to break, I never break. Mai. Kakak. This one sikit dia.
Don't need shaking, relax.
Kakak, you think 5 first.
This one cannot, don't hesitate, just go ni.
Or the pedal hit the branch? No.
Come on, I call it on your camera. You
Ah,
review it
later.
later. Then after that, give him red card or yellow card.
Yeah, red card.
This is pain lah. Lucky
Yeah, I can see that.
He got elbow and knee guard.
This is OTB bro.
Oh yeah. Damn, man.
Okay bro.
Relax. Sit down first, you want?
Wait, my phone is doing emergency call.
Yo, me, sir.
I also hesitated. I stopped.
This one very sleepy man.
This one you no need so fast, but must a bit.
Commit.
Yeah. Straight away go ni. You
Then
cannot slow down.
Your
Cannot slow
pedal
down.
you need to straight.
Yeah lah, this one I already conquer it, this one eh.
No lah bro, this one slippery lah.
A bit slippery. I tried.
This one so slippery.
Oh, maybe maybe when you go down You hit this one, then the
Slide.
the bicycle, the tire
Skid.
skid, yeah, skid. Relax, relax.
Yeah, maybe if this one don't have the slant
This one got
side.
chocolate,
Okay.
Ada. Chocolate don't have sweet have you want?
Sweet can.
Candy? Candies or what?
See, that's the thing, bro. That's why I cannot breathe. I got knee pads on.
Yeah, I'm okay, bro. I'm okay.